say she a bad, she got a fat, feeling the panties, they give me hands. Have to look every time she walk past me, baby got back, she got me slapping. Peach emoji, I wanna touch it, I wanna rub it, I wanna drum it, boom, plump, bump, 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 wiggle, wiggle, she got a trunk, she got a hop. Every time she putting on her jeans, and shaped like a goddess, she got those African jeans. So some of the way she shake it, twerk it, it's causing the scene. You can see it from the front, if you know what I mean. Booty, 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 rocking that way, left to right in those tights, making everybody stay. Show it off on the grind, homie, she don't even check. Then she got me screaming, woo, like I'm Rick Flag. Hasikari beat, wanna wale kartata and no afis. Don't waste it out, cute face when I'll be like digging her and the booty, touch a caddy feet. Am I belly? C'est que Nagi batela, Nagi rata,
Konta 210 pizza ya pizza nkare e batla a rescue. Di bunga bunga o tshwere hip hop, o mo goba o tshwere le trako. Yelele we, a go emele o nketele pele. Go batla Kata ka leboga wa tukama, go batla re tshameka thupana. If you give me that pudding ka thubana, nka tshwara nkare ke batla sutana. Wa nkutlwa sa kutlwa ka tsa morakile, ngwana wa tripping rana wa mmona o pakile. O gabile, she be looking like a question mark upside down, o gabile the attention.
Am I belly? Nagi batela, Nagi rata, yeah.